What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Mastablendz Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're going to be making smoked ham on a pellet smoker. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all, welcome back to the channel. So, today I'm about to show you how I do my brown sugar glazed smoked ham on a pellet smoker. Very easy to do, just follow these simple instructions, and I got you covered. So, we're gonna start off with the ham. I believe this is a 9-pound ham. That's what they had on sale, so I bought it. So you're gonna need some pineapples, slices, you're gonna need some cherries, and I'm gonna use this dry rub that I got from Weber. So, we're gonna use this today and try this out. See how it go. So pretty much all you're gonna do is you're gonna cover it up with your rub, then you're gonna put your pineapples on there with the toothpicks, go ahead and put your cherry in the middle, and then you're gonna put it on the smoker for about probably take about 2.5 3 hours on 250. So let's go ahead and get it coated. So I'm not gonna go real crazy with the rub, so we just gonna cover it up just like that right there. Try to get the sides. I ain't gonna worry about the bottom, because when we cook it, I put that glaze on there. It's gonna be real juicy under there, so we ain't gonna mess with it. So I'm just gonna cover this up. This is a spiral cut, so it's already cut. We ain't gotta cut it. I like the way that looks. What you wanna do, go ahead and get your pineapples. Lay those on there, go ahead and have your toothpicks ready. Now, since it's a spiral cut, you can't just put it straight down. You have to put it at an angle, go through a couple pieces, like so. There we go. Just like that, on to the next. And pretty much just cover the whole ham up. I ain't gonna bore y'all, I'll go ahead and fast forward it. Okay, now that I got my pineapples on that, we're gonna go ahead, put some cherries smack dead in the middle, like so. Okay, now that I got them covered up, we're gonna go ahead and take it, put it on the smoker. Be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm out here with the pellet smoker. I got it set on 250. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and place the whole ham onto the smoker, like so. Drop it right there. Gonna close this top. Gonna leave it out here for an hour. Come back and check on it. All right, you guys, got the ham out there cooking. What we're gonna do, we're gonna have make the glaze. So I got about a cup of brown sugar. I got the leftover juice from the pineapples. I'm also gonna use some of the juice from the cherries, a little bit of mustard, and some honey. That's all it is. So we're gonna go ahead and combine this together. Don't put too much in here. That's about 2 tablespoons. Another 2 tablespoons. Tablespoon of mustard. 2 tablespoons of honey. Let's see what we got here. There we go. Exactly what I'm looking for. Perfect. So normally right before I put it on, I go ahead and put it on the smoker for like 5 minutes just to heat it up, and then I go ahead and pour it on that ham. But that's the consistency we're looking for right there. Brown sugar glaze. All right, we're gonna set that to the side. All right, be right back. All right, y'all, it's been an hour. I'm gonna go ahead and check on the ham. That's what it looks like after an hour. What I got right here is a mix between the cherry juice, pineapple juice, some W sauce, and a little bit of honey. I'm gonna go ahead, just pour some on the top. Like that right there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and close the top up. All right, y'all, it's been about 20 minutes. What I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna go ahead and take the ham, lay it flat side down on the pan, go ahead and insert it back into the grill, and next time I pull it out, we're gonna put the glaze on. Be right back. All right, you guys, it's been about another hour. I'm gonna go ahead, open this up. We're gonna go ahead and glaze the ham. Try to fully cover it. Might have to pull it out some. I like to just go ahead and pour it on the top and let it run down. Oh my God. Would you look at that? Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Go ahead and pour it all on top. Go ahead and try to cover the whole thing. And that's it. Leave it on there for about 45 minutes to an hour, and we're gonna pull it off. It's gonna be time to eat. All right, y'all, my timer went off for 3 hours, so let's go ahead and see. Oh my Lord. Y'all, look at that. Look at that ham. Lord have mercy. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and check the temperatures. If we at 140, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off, plate it up, and it's gonna be time to eat. Catch you in a second.
Hold up.
All right, y'all, there it is. Fresh off the smoker. Double smoked brown sugar glazed ham. Right off the smoker. Man, it don't get no better than this. Look at that. Man, your mouth should be watering right now. Lord have mercy. Yeah, ain't nothing else to do but eat now. So, like, subscribe, share. Let me know what you want me to cook next. This Mastablendz. I'm out.